How's it going, everybody? My name is Samson, back with another video on Badazzle Tech, and I apologize for the lack of activeness. But anyways, this is the $600 PC build inside a $25 Xeon computer case. The case itself is super compact and lightweight. It has blue LEDs coming from the fan in front, but no glass side panel, and supports USB 2.0 and 3.0. We went with the H110MA motherboard because of the price, and it supports USB 3.0 as well as DDR4 RAM. For the CPU, we went with the Intel Core i5 6500 processor, which in my opinion is the best CPU you can get at the $200 to $300 price range. Here we have the popular Cooler Master Hyper T2 to cool our CPU. And here we are using two 16GB DDR4 RAM by g.skill. For the graphics card, we are using the GTX 960, which is the graphics card I am currently using, as well as a 500 watt power supply by EVGA. For memory, we went with a 100GB SSD and a 1TB hard drive.